Hey guys, it's Brittany and today I have another wig review for you guys. Today's video is brought to you by wigonly.com. This time I got a kinky curly glueless lace front wig. I'll have the rest of the specs in the description box for you guys. So I did bleach the knots off camera, as well as when I was bleaching the knots I used some of the developer and powder bleach mixture to add some highlights to the hair. So if you look at the wig, you'll see it has light brown highlights and it looks very, very beautiful, especially in sunlight. And you'll see that in the footage at the end of the video. And something that I've noticed about kinky curly wigs, because I've been working with them a lot lately, they are very difficult to style, and usually the second day I get it right. So in this video you're gonna see like I don't look very like happy in the first day footage because I was struggling again with this wig, but you'll see on the second day everything just looks a lot better and more natural because I did add some product to it on the second day. So I'm just gonna let you guys see how I apply the wig. I do this a lot in my videos, but I'll let you guys just watch how I adhere it to my head, and then I'll come back and talk to you guys towards the end of the video. And if you look at my wig like from the parting space, you can see like it gets a lot lighter towards the back. That's because that was the color of my wig cap. So I think it would have worked out and you couldn't see my wig cap if I had done like the stocking cap method and it was all the way up to the front of my hairline, but I didn't do that. So if I'm not going to do the stocking cap method, I am going to use a black wig cap instead in the future. And I don't really like doing the stocking cap method. It's just inconvenient for me, especially because I don't wear my wigs overnight. So yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys that. Alright, so this is the second day that I'm wearing this hair, and I put water and Cantu on it, and I think it looks beautiful. Alright, so you guys can see day 2 hair looks way more natural, and that's because on day 1 I only used water to style the wig, but day 2 with the Cantu curling cream, it definitely helped weigh down the curls, and it just looks so much better and more fluffy. And I wanted to show you guys the wig in natural lighting so you guys could get a really good look at those highlights. I think this wig is absolutely beautiful. On day 1 I didn't really like it that much, but after wearing it again, I think it's beautiful. And that same night my parents had a anniversary party and I wore the same wig, but I had it but I had it in an updo and it was very pretty. So if you are interested in this wig, I'll leave links in the description box for you guys. I want to thank Wig Only for sending me this wig to review for you guys. And if you have not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. And I have a coupon code as well, so check the description box, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.